This is the Han River. This is the Dragon Bridge. Up ahead. There's the Pinay under the umbrella. I think in the night, honey, this is very, very busy.
Especially in the Friday night, Saturday and Sunday.
Yes, I think so.
Yeah. Oh, that is the buildings.
Yeah, there's the Riverside over there. That's where we stayed last time. And that's that new building they were building.
Yeah. They're almost maybe a few months later they were done.
Why?
It's not hot.
Da Nang. I think in the evening it's a very busy place here. Pink Hotel in foreground there is the Riverside. We stayed there last December. Beautiful little hotel. This is where all the river cruise boats hang out during the day. At night they take off from here and they run people up and down the river. Under the Dragon Bridge, back up. At night this river walk is all lit up. Lots of vendors here, lots of people. In the day during this heat it's pretty quiet. See the Dragon Bridge in the background with its head across the other side of the river. That's where the fire and the smoke and the water comes out of, right out of its head. Friday, Saturday and Sunday nights. Thousands of people go to watch that show every weekend. We've gone a couple of times, and in December it wasn't too busy, but when we went a few weeks ago, oh boy, you could not move for people. It was very tough to get our grab back to our hotel that night. Here's the Penny with a sun umbrella walking down the arches. she comes. The old Penny. This area is known as the Hai Chau area. H-A-I-C-H-A-U. Hai Chau. Very popular area with tourists visiting Da Nang. It's one of the other bridges that crosses the Han River, and the little yellow piece in the front, that's a walking area. You can walk across there. Well, the bigger bridge carries the vehicles. That building over there under construction with the two cranes on top, when we were here in last December 2024, they just started building that structure. Always something being constructed in Da Nang. One of the locals, he's got his fishing pole in the river, trying to catch his dinner probably. Trying to snare a big one. Just with a pole, a bit of line, no reel. I bet this is a busy place at night. Beautiful plants and bushes around here. They keep this area very clean as well. It's one of the many grab stations that you'll find. Come and stand by here, order your grab. We'll pick you up right here. Another little art structure. Metal birds there flying away. Find lots of that in Da Nang. Riverside cafes. They'll all be open at night. Oh, she's hot today. 34 degrees already. It's only about 11 o'clock in the morning. There's the Pinay again coming. Little cafe's open. Herbal pizza. I wonder what that's like. Craft beer, San Miguel, wine. Nice place for you to sit. And more archways that will be lit up at night. La Rue, local beer. More construction going on over there to the left. Really quite the impressive building over there with that arch down the middle. Probably going to be apartment complex, I'm guessing. Once again, motorcycles just ride anywhere here, right up the pathway. Left Fu An Hotel. Now the other side of the street. A couple of local workers, gardeners probably. Nice area, honey.
It's a nice park also.
Yeah.